change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing home run.
Yes mga idol, ako si Bainad TV. Welcome back sa aking channel. Umpisa na ang picture-picture. Lapit tayo kila idol para makatikim naman tayo ng alak. Crow cut, high cut. Sa version ngayon ay high fade. Ayan, shout out idol. Puro shout out muna tayo ngayon mga idol. From Malanday, Valenzuela, shout out sa iyo idol. Thank you so much.
Let's go. Hey. Life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim.
Yes mga idol, tricolor with highlights. At ito naman mga idol, ay masinsinan kong tinatahi. Ang isang highlights balayag ay mahirap magkamali mga idol.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs,
Ito naman, kasalukuyang ini-enjoy siguro ni idol ang kanyang buhok.
Oh my God!
Isa na naman successful mga idol ang hair color with treatment. Syempre kasama na ang haircut yan. From Lingunan, shout out sa iyo idol. At ito naman mga idol ay moment to, Christmas season. Akala ni idol may picture-picture, di nila alam na binibidyohan ko na pala. Ito yung kasiyahan nila na hindi magkaumayaw at hindi matatawaran ng tuwa. Nag-i-enjoy pa nga si idol May dala pang alak
Sana all. Galing ha?
Thank you so much mga idol. God bless po sa inyo lahat. Na sana ay wag po kayong magsawa na sumuporta at pumunta dito at dumalaw sa aking tahanan. Alright, ingat po lagi mga idol. Siya nga pala mga idol, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, pindutin mo na ang subscribe at hit button para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video. Alright, yan lang po. At maraming salamat po sa mga subscriber natin dyan na walang sawang sumuporta at manood ng aking video. Bye bye, salamat po. Ayan guys, isingit muna natin ang isa nating idol from Lingunan, Valenzuela. Kikilayan muna natin siya. Super ingat tayo mga idol sa kilay at masakit makasugat. Isa ring successful mga idol ang nakapag-create tayo ng flat top. I-shoutout natin si Bong Uhinar ng Balagtas, Bulacan. Masinsinan kong hinimay, hinimay ng hinimay. At baka magkamali tayo mga idol. Sabihin ay hindi tayo legend sa gupitan. Ang hirap din ng trabahong barbero Ang sinaunang flat top mga idol.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.